Okay, what we got here, young man? Tell me what we got. What size motor are we looking at here?
A 1600 dual port?
Question, was that you I talked to on the phone?
My brother.
Brother, well, you got Volkswagens. This is all Volkswagen stuff?
Yeah.
Okay. He said it came, what's the background? He said it came out of a wrecked car or something?
Yeah, it's a red car.
Okay, so it wasn't, my main concern was the motor I have right now is oil's coming out of somewhere back here. And I'm like, well, hell, we dropped it out, put a new seal in it, and it's still doing it. Yeah. And he said possibly the casing is cracked in the back. So my main deal was I need to get me a better motor.
A rebuild, or not a rebuild, another one.
Another one. Yeah. That's not leaking.
Yeah.
Because the main thing is, this is a gift from my father, and so he needs something just so he can be moving around. Yeah. What year motor is this right here?
72, I think.
Okay.
I believe. But if you want to be confirmed, you just have to run this number that will tell you.
That will tell you. Okay. Year. So this will go right into a 70 bug?
Yeah.
Okay. Since you're the bug man, I'm gonna call you bug man because you got all this stuff here. When I if I attempt to put this motor in myself, do I need to take the exhaust off or do? Oh wait. So
what year is the Beetle you have?
70.
70 Beetle?
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll fit.
Okay. So my question is, so what is the technique for putting this motor into the Beetle? What do I need to do?
The main stuff is 2 big jacks. You could do it 1 jack.
Yeah.
Big, but if you have 2, it's better. Lift up 1 car, and the other jack you slide it under the engine, lift it up. Of course, you have to have everything unplugged.
Okay, unplugged as in the electricals.
Electrical, of course, the 4 bolts.
Yeah, that's what I was concerned about. So the 4 bolts that hold this onto the transmission, the one will be on the starter here, which you reach around to get to that.
The other one will be, the rest will be under the car. This is the hardest one.
Okay.
Because you have to stick your hand or a socket and a wrench and try to break it loose. Okay. If you break it loose, it's simple after there because it will come out much easier.
Okay.
The hardest thing is just to break it loose because it's super hard.
Or to get the angle on it.
Yeah, because you're halfway in there and you can't see really much and you have to guess.
Okay. And so so 1, 2, 3, 4, and it'll drop. You'll be able to loosen it free.
Yeah, you might have to wrestle it out, but it'll come out.
So it'll clear with the exhaust tech out to it. So I'm just reverse engineering my idea. When I pull the other one out, because I'll go pay my mechanic, and I said, my dad said, I did it when I was a kid. I said, really? You did it? Okay, I've dropped Chevy motors. How hard can this possibly be?
Only thing is, it might be hard if it wasn't an accident in the back, and sometimes it's not aligned right. You might have to take off the muffler, but that's one of the rarely,
Okay, well, do me a favor then. Fire it up then. Let me see. I heard you. That's why I got out my truck, because I heard something come on. I said, okay. No smoke, all that. Hit the gas one time for me. All right. You cut it off. I got you. Okay, I have one other question. What is this?
That's a dog house. This is off of like a 70, or probably 72. Yours probably it's inside the cooler.
Oh, okay.
It came out to make the hot air escape out.
Okay. And what does this hose do here? What's that?
This is a throttle cable.
Throttle cable goes through there and it catches
to here. And then when you press the gas in the car, it'll move.
Okay. And this is yours? I guess you're keeping this.
I'm taking this and my fuel line, and the rest is yours.
Okay.
I don't know. Your Beetle has an alternator or generator?
It looks something like that.
Alrighty then. Because you might have to run. Let me go get it.
Okay. I've come all the way down to Southern California to talk to the Beetle guys.
A radiator. Well, you might have it in the car already.
I'm not even sure. Let me look up on my. Oh, mine has electronic ignition. Will mine electronic ignition drop onto there?
Yes, but after there you have to adjust your timing.
Never mind. We'll leave that. We won't touch that.
Yeah, you get me. You can take it up and put yours in, but you have to check the timing.
Yeah, then I got to get somebody that involves more people. This is already time and it's running. It's already going. So I'm just gonna drop it as it is.
Yeah. Just keep yours in the future. You might have to take it out. You just put the electronic one. And you reset. Yeah, but I like points better because if you break down, if that thing failed, you could readjust it and you'll take out. The electric one, you have to change the whole thing.
Okay, if it dies, it's over.
Yeah, you call a tow truck or get your points from hopefully you have it in the car. Change the electronic, it'll be set.
Okay.
That's the only advantage of it, but the electronic is way better because it's more efficient.
Okay. Oh, so do you guys sell a lot of stuff at the Pomona swap meets and stuff like that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, because I went there after I bought the Volkswagen and I went over there the next day, and I saw, man, there's a whole section for VWs. I was like, oh, okay. And Chevys, yeah. So, and I have both now. Well, I'm finna finish the Volkswagen and get to my father. Well, it looks good, sounds good. Me and you could be able to put it in the back of the truck, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I have them in my truck.
Well, let me get you paid, and let's make this happen. This is Rob at Money's Car Stereo.
Change this. This is maybe the problem. Look, I'll give you a sample and you could take it out.
Oh, we didn't change that. We changed a big one.
Yeah. You didn't change this one. This leaks from in there too.
Oh.
Let me see. I could take it out. This is so hard now.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. Yeah. So this is on the side that would be in towards the inside the engine.
You take it out. And a lot of people don't change it. Well, let me see if you see it move.
Yeah.
You move it.
Okay, yeah.
But you have to take it out. Let me see if
so that could be causing the leak also.
Yeah.
Well, I ain't waste time because we got a whole nother motor that ain't leaking.
All right.
Either I'll give the other motor to the other guy. I bought a new carburetor, so I'm gonna keep my carburetor.
Yeah.
And I'll probably do like you say, put it on the Craigslist, you know, and let it go from there. You know, that's I'd rather be done with it than it's supposed to be a Christmas gift for my father, and so I just need to put the motor in, finish up the little details on the vehicle, and tow him to Oregon.
That's from he lives in Oregon.
Yeah, he lives in Oregon, out by Portland, out in Troutdale.
How is it over there?
It's snowing right now, he told me.
Oh, wow.
And so, you know, he had a Volkswagen when I was a little kid.
Yeah.
And I asked him, he said he wanted the old school project. He's 70. And I'm like, oh, he wanted a Chevy at first. I said, well, the Caprice that you had when I was little was kind of expensive now. They said, but you had a Volkswagen. Would you drive if I get you one? He said, I'll drive a Volkswagen. I said, oh, well, enough said. I know where one's at.
Yeah.
And we'll go from there. And so it's been a fast project. When I work on things, I tend to go hard. I searched high and low for Volkswagen parts. Got seats, interior door panels, got it painted. Ooh, he trying to get you.
Yeah.
Replaced the front suspension because it was set up like a Baja. I learned how I changed the old front suspension, put it back to normal height. Just in the back, brought it down. It's been a learning curve to learn how to work on this thing.
Yeah.
So it's kind of interesting. Almost made me want to get one for myself.
Yeah.
And so if I get one for myself, I think I'll get a convertible and see how that goes. But now I see there's a large bug community.
Yeah. Another thing is, we're already here. You have to check your clutch.
I bought a new clutch.
All right, check it has the ring or is it one like this?
It's like that.
All right, you're set then. Because
Okay.
if you have a ring, you have to you have to swap the clutch.
Okay.
Because it'll fit and everything, but with this and with one without, that's a without. If we have one of these, this one has it. Check this one. Look, it has it.
Oh, that's a good question.
Two different things.
Okay, so if my clutch, the one I just bought, I have to change. What do I have to change? You're saying?
If you have the same, it look the same. You're good.
Yeah.
If you have one of these, you have to take it off and switch it.
Okay. So if wait, you're saying if my clutch looks like that?
Yeah, you have to take that one off and switch it.
So I have to buy one of these clutches then? You saying?
No. You have to buy.
Whatever the clutch is on my motor, put it on this motor.
Yeah.
Got you.
And
Well, you taking your clutch? Or I can keep
no,
it.
no, you can keep it.
Okay,
I'm
okay.
just letting you know.
Oh, okay. Whatever's on my car needs to stay on my car.
Yes.
Got you. All right, cool. All right.
And you don't have to take it off and put it on.
I bought the tool. The tool it came with it. Yeah.
You're good
when
then.
I bought that. Yeah.
You're good then.
Okay, I figured I could handle that.
Yeah, if you have the tool, you're good. You know, take it off and switch it.
Okay, so these bolts are permanently on. Oh, okay.
Permanent on there. That's actually your guide.
So when I get it up high enough,
Yeah.
I'll get on the guide and wiggle it forward,
Right.
and it should like an old Chevy. You can like line it up and you feel it when it falls in and push it.
And the trick is, no one's gonna teach you. You have to have the engine tilted.
Tilted like
this.
Like
this.
Oh, tilted that way?
That way, yeah.
Oh, okay,
Because
okay.
It'll be much easier for you because that's what you're gonna see, and that's what you're gonna.
Okay.
This is a transmission. Imagine this is a transmission, right?
Right.
Imagine it was tilted, the engine. Imagine.
Yeah, it's never gonna line. Yeah.
Look at it.
Yeah.
You're already in there. Hopefully, it'll slide in like that.
Got you.
If you go like straight in, it's gonna be hard.
I got it.
It's gonna be hard.
Okay.
Look, straight in, you'll be different. Look, of course, it'll fit, but if you have it tilted, it'll be better.
Okay. All right.
Of course, when you have it in there, you just lift it, jiggle it, and hopefully it'll...
All right. I'll see if it's a one-man operation. I'm definitely gonna go for it. How long does you take? Do you guesstimate it take to get an engine out of a Volkswagen?
If you have all the tools, it'll take probably like 30 minutes.
30 minutes? Yeah. Oh, hell, I'm going for this tomorrow.
Yeah.
If I'd have a 5-hour ride back home, hell, I would go for it tonight. But I'm going for it tomorrow, most definitely. Yeah. If it's not raining, we going for it. And I just follow how my wires are on my motor. I'll just tape them up and how they're marked.
And when you have two big jacks or just one?
I have a jack and then also have my Harley Davidson jack, which has the side pads on it.
Use that one for
That's what I was going to use for the engine, and I was going to put the VW up on jack stands or up on car roll-up ramps. My friend has a roll-up ramp.
But if you have a 4x4, it'll be much easier because you put it on the car in the center, not in the center, but in the back.
Yeah.
This will help you to lift it up more because.
Yeah, because I was thinking the car needs to clear it for this to roll up underneath there. Yeah. That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, you have to get
a little bit more on it. Okay. Yeah. I see you got a bus over there. You guys gonna put it together?
I'm gonna put it together. It's actually painted, color sand, but never got back.
Oh, okay. So is that the one with windows or without?
With no windows.
Yeah, look.
A panel, yeah.
A panel van. Yeah. I saw one on TV the other day. They were talking about those.
Yeah.
It was a
this
guy.
one is a double door. Both sides open.
Oh, okay.
Originally, most of them out there, it's one side.
One side.
Yeah, when you get into the back.
Are you going to eventually get it on the road?
Yeah, I'm going to get it on the road.
Okay.
Next year
and I see you got one, two. You got a few out here, man.
Convertibles.
Are you going to? So what's out of all these? What's your priority to get running first?
Running first?
Yeah, the one you going to do your thing in.
One of them, like this convertible.
The convertible is gonna be up first.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, for sure, man. Yeah. Okay. Last question. Out of all the Volkswagens, what's your favorite body style?
A Beetle or bus?
Beetle, and then bus. Okay, go Beetle first.
Beetle first. I'll be an oval rack top.
Oval rack top. So it's an oval window.
Oval window with a rack top.
The pullback California-like style on the whole thing? Sunroof. Okay.
The convertible is cool, but I don't want to see an oval.
We talk about that roof that accordions back like.
Yeah, like two, like about like 2 feet.
Okay, the big vinyl one. Yeah. Okay.
Of course, I like the convertibles too, but.
In bugs, in buses, what you thinking?
A double cab.
What's a double cab?
A crew cab, like a truck bus.
Oh!
You put people in the back. And if in the back is a truck.
Okay, a friend of mine was telling me this, who's in the Volkswagens. He said, Rob, put one of them WRX motors in there. Is that hellified modified to get something like that into them?
You could put it, but you have to modify that a lot.
Oh hell! Okay.
It's much reliable, much faster, I'll say.
But it's gonna be some engineering to go in to make that fit.
Yeah, if you're good at it, you're safe. If you're not good at it,
leave it alone.
Yeah, don't try it.
I'm gonna stay in my comfort zone. I'm just learning this, so I'm gonna stay with this right here. Okay, all right. Well, I guess we can get it in the back of the truck. I was gonna put it on one of the cushions and put a cushion behind it so it doesn't rock and strap it to the bed.